7th Standard Geography, 3rd Lesson, Population and Settlement, Part 2. Now we'll see about what is settlement. Settlement is a place where people live and interact through activities such as agriculture, trading, and entertainment. A rural settlement is a community involved in primary activities. What are primary activities? Primary activities are like agriculture, lumbering, fishing, and mining. And urban settlements engage in secondary and tertiary activities such as industries, trade, and banking. So, agriculture, primary activities, it means agriculture, lumbering, fishing, and mining. Now, secondary and tertiary activities, it means like industries, trade, and banking. Yeah, rural settlements tends to have a small population and low population density. In the rural area, less number of population and density of the population, it means thickness of the population is also less population and thickness of the population or density of the population is less. Now come to the urban settlements, tends to have large population size and also high population density. Come to the urban settlements or in the urban areas, more people lives and thickness or the density of the population is high. Old house types. In the early periods of human settlement, houses were built using local materials. The form of the house was closely related to the environment. In the agricultural regions, houses were built with mud walls and the roof was made of stalks of paddy or other crops of grass or thatched. Local wood was used to provide frame for the roof. Such old houses had wide verandas and an open air circulation. Patterns of settlements. Settlements also be classified into compact settlement and dispersed settlement. What is compact settlements? Compact settlements means closely built area is also known as nucleated settlement. Compact settlement means closely built area and also compact settlement is known as nucleated settlement. In this type, large number of houses are built very close to each other. Such a settlement develop along the river valleys and fertile plains. In India, compact settlements are found in the northern plains and coastal plains of peninsular India. Dispersed settlements. Dispersed settlements, it means scattered settlements. Dispersed settlements are generally found in the areas of extreme climate, hilly areas, thick forest areas, grasslands areas, etc. In India, this type of human settlement is found in the northern Kosi area, the Ganga Delta, the Thar Desert of Rajasthan, and the foothills of Himalayas and Nilgiris. So, dispersed settlement, it means scattered settlements. Rural settlements, it means settlements located near water bodies like rivers, lakes, and springs where water can be easily available. People choose to settle near fertile land suitable for agriculture along with the provision of other basic needs. The availability of building materials like wood, stone, and clay near settlement is another advantage for settlements to be built. Pattern of rural settlement. The pattern of settlement has been defined as the relationship between a house or building. A rural settlement pattern is a functions of relief, climate, water supply, and socio-economic factor. Rural settlement is broadly classified into linear settlement, rectangular settlement, circular settlement, star-like pattern settlement, etc. So these are the different types of settlement in the rural areas. So rural settlement, it means a relationship between the houses and or building to one another. In a linear settlement, houses are arranged along either side of a road, railway line, river, canal, or edge of the valley, etc. The rectangular settlements are almost straight, meeting each other at right angles. Such a settlement is found in the plain areas or mountain plains. Circular pattern settlements. It means houses built around a central area. Circular pattern settlement, it means houses around a central area, like such settlements develop around lakes and tanks. Star shaped settlement. The settlements in which houses are constructing in a star shape is known as star shaped settlement. Settlements in which houses are constructing in a star shape, which is called as star shaped settlement. Such kind of settlement is found around the points where several roads cross each other. So it is making a star shape. So the such kind of settlements is found around the points where several roads cross each other. It seems to be making the star shape. It is known as star shaped settlements. Urban settlements. The settlements in which most of the people are engaged in the secondary and tertiary activities are known as urban settlements. Primary settlements, it means the people who are engaged in the agricultural activities, but here secondary activities and tertiary activities. Urban is related to the cities and towns. Classification of urban settlements. Now, some of the common classifications are size of population, occupational structure, and administration. Size of the population is classified on the basis of size of population, occupational structure, and administration. Now we'll see about town. Town means larger than a village, smaller than a city. So town, it means the area is which is larger than village but smaller than a city, which is called as town. City is a large human settlement and permanent and densely settled places. City, it means large human settlement and permanent and densely settled place. In India, urban place with more than 1 lakh population is considered as city. Now mega city. Mega city is a very large city, typically with a population of more than 10 million of people. A mega city like Mumbai can be a single metropolitan area. Satellite town. A satellite town is a town designed to house the overpopulation of a major city, but it is located well beyond the limits of that city. Satellite town, it means town designed to house the overpopulation of a major city, but it is located well beyond the limits of the city. It may be connected with roads. Smart city. In an urban area, a city which is very much advanced in terms of infrastructure, real estate, communication, and market availability is called a smart city. In Tamil Nadu, there are 12 major smart cities is there. That is Chennai, Madurai, Tirunelveli, Trichy, etc.